my god. Lots of birds. They're moving around. They're dancing or whatever. But there are flocks. Lots of birds. Oh my god. That's so beautiful. Oh my god. They're flying over me. And they're flying around me. They just suddenly came up. I don't know where they came from. Oh my goodness. Amazing. So beautiful. It's just like a magical show for me. They're flying, they're dancing, they're telling some stories, they're making any formations, different formations. Oh, look at this, they're flying over me. It's already some few minutes ago. They are still there. Oh my god, I cannot stop looking at them. They're over me. They're over me and around me. They just suddenly pop up from nowhere. I cannot explain. But so amazing, beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. I cannot stop looking at them. They're simply amazing. Amazing, amazing. A huge flock over me. They are still there. Moving around, flying, dancing, and they separated into 3 or 4 different groups. Oh my goodness. They're almost